Hello everyone! In this video I am showing you how to turn your canvas into an ice cream. It's super easy and fun to do, so let's get started. The first step is to paint the canvas with a color that looks like an ice cream cone. So I mixed dark brown with white and a little bit of orange to create this color. I did 2 layers of this to make sure that the canvas was completely covered. For the next step, I poured magenta pink into a cup. I added some white and some pouring medium and I mixed it. Don't add too much pouring medium because we want the paint to be drippy but not too liquidy. So now we are just going to pour this on one side of the canvas. Make sure to also cover the edge. And then it's time for the fun part. We are going to set our canvas up straight so that the paint can drip down. Once you are satisfied with your drips, we are going to add a little bit more pink to the sides and let that drip down as well. The final step is to add some sprinkles to your ice cream. Just choose any colors that you like and add some pouring medium to them. Then you can take the tip of a brush and dip it into the colors and let it drip into the ice cream. that's it. Now you can let it dry and you will have a delicious ice cream painting. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Goodbye!